Module 6, Part 2, Creating the Media Mix. Just a reminder on where media fits. So promotion sometimes competes for budget with media advertising. Promotion tends to show larger sales spikes, although the end is typically profitable only 20% of the time versus media, which is generally profitable about 40% of the time. Overspending on promotions can cause a cycle of brand erosion because it commoditizes the brands in the category. And media ROI tends to underperform when brands focus a higher share of their budget on promotion. Return on media spending outperforms promotion spending ROI consistently across categories, and particularly for long-term results. Small brands that effectively balance media and promotion spending benefit from greater growth. TV is still a dominant medium for audience reach and share of time, but that is shifting. And different creative messages can influence various points along the shopper journey. So as we learned earlier, creative does matter. And a 10% shift in share of spending from promotion to media can substantially improve the marketing ROI. There's been various studies to show the relative impact of media and creative. And one done a few years ago showed that there was an equal impact on ad or brand recall from media and from creative. And a consistent unified creative strategy across media delivers the strongest results. And that's important to keep in mind as well. We have a lot of research that says there is a benefit to using more than one media channel. As noted in the previous recording of this week, when you add a second medium, it delays the flattening of the reach curve. And here you can see TV plus digital versus TV only. Some brands also use local media on top of national media, where the brand or the category are growing or the category is popular. As we learned earlier on in the class, looking at the brand development index and the category development index can give important clues as to where you should be increasing your local media spend. And advertising across platforms or channels delivers a higher return on investment, as you can see in this analysis. There's added effect also when TV is used with other media. And here is another study that was done that shows the ROI increases when you add print to TV or radio to TV or digital to TV. Early research with search suggested that TV and paid search work best together for high involvement categories, looking at seeing a greater ROI for TV and paid search for categories such as pharmaceutical or travel, compared to a lower return on investment when you're using TV and paid search for low involvement categories such as food and beverage or household goods. And TV and digital work well together across targets. This is looking here at optimizing the mix per target against all adults versus adults 18 to 34. And you can see, not surprisingly, when you add for a younger audience, you want to have more digital. Overinvesting can sometimes lead to a decline in sales. And this was an earlier study done looking at the relative impact of banner ad impressions. As you add more, the impact declines. Measuring the audience across channels is still a work in progress. Traditionally, the audience to each media channel was measured separately. So for TV and radio, it's been Nielsen. For print, MRI-Simmons. For out-of-home, Geopath. And for digital, Nielsen or Comscore, with third-party planning systems developed to try and assess that cross-channel delivery and impact. Today, the industry is pushing for closer to true cross-channel measurement. And several companies are moving into this cross-platform or cross-platform video measurement space. So Nielsen has announced it's switching its traditional TV currency to a TV plus digital video currency called Nielsen One by 2024, which will have campaign-specific measurement of TV plus digital video using a combination of its TV panel plus set-top box and smart TV data. Others, such as iSpot, VideoAmp, and Samba, are offering cross-platform measurement already today of TV and digital. Again, smart TV and set-top box and campaign-specific, with the person-level viewing being modeled Comscore offers cross-platform measurement today for TV and digital. Again, campaign-specific, smart TV and set-top box data with the person-level viewing, in this case, coming from the Comscore panel. And then the World Federation of Advertisers, the WFA, has also announced and is working towards cross-platform measurement globally, market by market. In the US, the Association of National Advertisers is sponsoring an industry-wide RFP to create a new cross-platform currency based on global principles with local adaptation. We often use optimization to enhance a plan. We can optimize against the budget, against the cost of the media channels, the target reach, recency, focused frequency distribution, media saturation points, media impact, the costs against the target, context and attention, and the resonance of the ad. And all of these can be used to enhance the plan.